Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Monday, August the 3rd. These are the charts of the day. Well, a spectacular special day on Wall Street. The market gapped up, ran up, held up most of the day, and closed with huge gains. Technicals were pretty darn good too, especially on Nasdaq, where the market leaders all came back and led the way higher. We're going to show you a couple dozen of them today. And in particular, I want to focus in on the ETFs for some of these stocks that really, percentage-wise, making big moves. For example, AAOX, only up 40% today, from a low of 902 to 1485, and finished just 19 cents off the high at the declining moving average. We get through this level, we're looking at targets in the 17.5, 22 zones. ALOI, a swing trade of ours, acting well, but been up like 5 of the last 6 days, and today gained another 14%. I think it's headed for 1185 and then 13. APLD, one of the tech stocks we follow, also broke out of the declining tops line and had a nice bullish engulfing day today. From a low of 26 to high of 30, finished just a penny off the high, up to 79, big reversal, engulfing reversal too. If and when this stock gets through 31.5, I'm looking for 36.7. AXTX, excuse me, another one of the ETFs. This is for AXTI. Breakaway gap yesterday, today with engulfing reversal bar, very bullish. I'm looking for a move to 16 and 19. CDNA, a spectacular move, break a massive gap, a falling wedge, another gap, 3-day run that took it from 35, today's high at 50. This is in 3 days. The stock in a month has gone double, and it looks to me like it won't be done until it gets to high 50s. CRWG for the CRWG ETF, also with a spectacular engulfing bullish bar from 1368 to 20.5, and finished a nickel off the high. Spectacular. Looking for a move to 28 and 32. The other is CoreWeave. That's the parent company. Looks to me like that's making it up to 94 and 105. The second ETF is CWVX. Very similar. Big move today of 41%, headed for, I think, 24. Swing trade FIG recovered today, got to a new high and then backed off, but still looking to me like we're headed to 27, 28 range, and then maybe 32. Fastly, also a new swing, broke out above key resistance today. Not by a lot, but it's just enough to get me thinking this is going to 27 and then 32. Helen of Troy in a beautiful rising configuration, maybe popping out of a 6-week wedge. If it gets to 30, 34, and 37 are targets. IONQ, one of the best of the quantum computing stocks, jumped from 35 to 40 today and up 315 or 8%. Once this gets through, my target's 50. IONX, the ETF for IONQ, I think reversed itself today. And I'm now looking for moving to the 35 range. 30 and 35 are your targets. Kingsoft broke out yesterday with a gap. Today gapped again and got up to my first target. Second target, 14. NBIG for NBIS. Beautiful reversal in the last few days. I've seen this go from 9 to today's high, more than double. I'm now looking for a move that takes us to 24. Ondas, with a really solid day. The volume wasn't heavy, but it was up 12%. And it's right at resistance. We get through here, looking for 9 3/4. ORCX, Oracle, broke a falling wedge. Snapping back here, gained 341 or 19% today. First target, 24. Second target, 30. Oust also broke through above resistance and above the moving averages. Your next target is 48. QBTS broke out of its falling channel as well, popping $2 or 11%. Now looking for 22.75 and 25. SPCH, the ETF for SpaceX, hit a new all-time low and reversed big time from 545 to 668. Finished 11 cents off the high. Real good volume. Earnings are out tomorrow. This could accelerate. Target is 9. UMEC, breaking out of a little mini inverse head and shoulders, but across resistance and moving averages, and finishing at 23.30, up to 14 or 10%. The follow through is going to be 26.75. And finally, ZETA also broke out through a triple top. It might be headed to 26 and 29. Those are your next targets. Let's look at some of the very hot stocks and ETFs at thetechtrader.com. This is HB wishing you a great rest of your evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.